So this is what it looks like once it's finished, and honestly overall I really like this pattern and I really enjoyed sewing it, assembling it, and also embroidering the eyes and the mouth. I thought that was really fun. And the ears, I like the folded look, but you know, I wasn't able to do it with the other one. And then for the wings, I stuffed them a little bit, but I had to kind of like hand sew a little bit of that wing, so it's not perfect at all. And yeah, and then for the bottom, I think it's fine, except that, you know, I can definitely improve on, you know, that little spot right there once you finish stuffing it and you have to hand sew it. I can definitely improve on that. But overall, I like this design a lot, and I'm very happy. I just love the face. I think it's really cute, and I think I've improved my technique from the first two with how I do the faces. I think I improved a lot, actually. So in the description box down below, I'll have Let's Make It Academy's YouTube channel and website, where you can find the patterns, tutorials, in-depth tutorials on how to make this, since this was just kind of like a time lapse, really. I just wanted to show my little Squishmallows and just kind of how it turned out, because I noticed there's not really a lot of videos on YouTube of people making custom Squishmallows or customizing Squishmallows in general, so I wanted to make a video that I wanted to see, really. And so thank you for watching me make this little pink bat Squishmallow, and I'll see you in the next video, which will most likely be a Squishmallow video. So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.